International Mother Language Day is celebrated on 21st of February every year. This day is observed to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and to promote multilingualism. This day was first announced by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, the UNESCO, on the 17th of November 1999. However, it was formally recognized by the United Nations General Assembly in the year 2002. The idea to celebrate International Mother Language Day was the initiative of Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, the 21st of February is the anniversary of the day when the people of Bangladesh fought for recognition for the Bangla language. When Pakistan was created in the year 1947, it had two geographically separate parts, East Pakistan, the present Bangladesh, and West Pakistan, the present Pakistan. These two parts were very different to each other in sense of culture, language, etc. In the year 1948, the then government of Pakistan declared Urdu to be the sole national language of Pakistan. But Bengali or Bangla was spoken by the majority of people in East Pakistan. The people of East Pakistan protested and they demanded Bangla to be at least one of the national languages in addition to Urdu. The demand was raised first by Dhirendranath Datta from East Pakistan on the 23rd of February 1948 in the Constituent Assembly of Pakistan. The students of the University of Dhaka, with the support of the general public, arranged massive rallies and meetings. The government of Pakistan banned all public meetings and rallies to demolish the protest. On the 21st of February 1952, police opened fire on rallies. Abdus Salam, Abul Barkat, Rafiq Ahmad, Abdul Jabbar and Shafiur Rahman were killed and hundreds of others were injured. This is a rare incident in history where people sacrificed their lives for their mother tongue. This language movement had a major cultural impact on Bengali society and in Bangladesh. It has inspired the development and celebration of the Bengali language, literature and culture. They built a monument, Shahid Minar, in memory of the martyrs. The 21st February is celebrated as Language Movement Day in Bangladesh. Bangladesh officially sent a proposal to UNESCO to declare 21st February as International Mother Language Day. The proposal was supported unanimously at the 30th General Conference of the UNESCO held on 17th of November 1999. It declared that 21st of February be proclaimed International Mother Language Day to commemorate the martyrs who sacrificed their lives on this very day in the year 1952. The theme of the 2021 International Mother Language Day is Fostering Multilingualism for Inclusion in Education and Society. The UNESCO believes education based on the first language or mother tongue must begin from the early years, as early childhood care and education is the foundation of learning. Wish you all a very happy International Mother Language Day. Thank you.